Hi, I'm Jane Taylor, and as a small business owner, I know just how hard it is to put your dreams into action and stay focused on getting things done. That's why I'm really pleased to announce Acorn's first Dreams with Deadlines workshop. It's an opportunity for you to come together with a small group of like-minded business owners and work on your business. Roll up your sleeves, spend a couple of hours working on your business, not just in your business. And I will share with you some proven tools that will help you get your dreams into action. What we'll do is we'll celebrate our successes for 2018, we'll set our intentions for 2019, create a vision for your business for the next 12 months, and get you setting your 90-day goals to get those dreams into action. It's free and it's fun, but there are limited places, so please book your ticket on Eventbrite. I hope you can join me on December the 13th at Sam Merrifield Library. We'll be kicking off at about 9:30 with informal introductions, so bring your coffee, and at 10 o'clock we will get down to work. Let's get those dreams some deadlines.